dustbins color. What the first one is? Green dustbin. And the second one is blue dustbin. So this two dustbin has its own importance. Fine? These two dustbin has its own importance. So first of all, we will discuss about the blue dustbin. It is used for dry waste. Dry waste क्या होता है? सूखा वेस्ट. जो गीला नहीं हुआ होता, जो सूखा वेस्ट होता है, we call it what? Dry waste. जब भी आप dry waste देखोगे, जैसे चिप्स का पैकेट, चॉकलेट के पैकेट का रैपर, वो सब क्या है? Dry waste. Because water is not any liquid material is not included in it, so we call it what? Dry waste. You have to throw the dry waste material in the blue dustbin. And what is the opposite of dry? Wet. And for the wet material where the liquid is there, we have to use which dustbin? Green dustbin. So for today's this short seminar main purpose is to know the knowledge about the dustbin. So we have not to throw the wrappers here and there, we have to throw it in the dustbin.
Now you have to do one thing. If you want that your city will be neat and clean and green, so what will you do? You need to say no to plastic. Ekam, I know there are lots of things coming in your mind. Come fast, Ekam.
As you said, we have to say no to the plastic. But what about that stuff that is coming in that plastic bags, like atta, wheat flour that is coming in our home? It is also coming in that plastic wrapper. So how we can say no to the plastic? Even the pens we are using, its body is also made from plastic. So it's not possible to get rid of that plastic.
There are two types of plastic. One is reusable, recyclable, and another is non-recyclable. Fine. So the poly bag that we carry from the shopkeeper, that plastic is non-recyclable. So non-recyclable plastic is a hazardous to the society. But if some plastics are there, those who are recyclable, fine. Just like the bag in which you get your food, just your spectacles plastic, or some other kinds of plastic. Fine. Some plastic chairs also there. So these are recyclable plastic. So recycled plastic we can use again over again. Fine. Or at least 2-3 times we can reuse it. But these poly bags, they are non-recyclable. They are non-reusable also. So what we do with these poly bags, we throw outside the house immediately. And outside the house, they will be problem for the society, for us also, for our neighbors also, for our society also. Right? But this is how. Now what you will tell your parents now?
That we have to say no to plastic. We have to use two types of dustbin, different for the wet waste and different for the dry waste.
2 days back, I got few persons from the corporation office. Today also, why? Because these people are working for you. These people are working for your health. Because if city is clean or neat, you can save yourself from different diseases, just like as dengue, just like as chikungunya, just like as jaundice. You all understood the importance of two-color dustbin. You all understood which is reusable plastic and which is non-reusable plastic. There are 3 R's. One is recycle, reuse and reduce. Recycle, दोबारा बनाना. Reuse, दोबारा use करना. And reduce, use कम करना. These are the 3 things that you need to opt in your life to make your city neat and clean. May God bless you all. Thank you very much. Thank you, teachers. You train them, you tell them and teach them the importance of cleanliness and all the other good things. Thank you.